that's the Extramuros, or it's the new Manila.
Extramuros.
Because you are here in Old Manila. And we are here in Department Labor and Employment. If you have a problem to your boss and also to your salary, you can go there. And after you go there, you can go outside. You can have another problem because you can have no work. You can find your